What's up guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix image not displaying on your Laravel project. So this is an example of the image that I'm showing here now. So this image is supposed to be displaying, but we are just saying this thing, even though when you try to upload a new image on your let me say on your website, it still show this stuff. But in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to do that. But if I get started, if you are new to my channel, please kindly do what to hit the subscribe button and notification so that anytime I release a new video like this, you can be able to get a notification for that. So I have watched several videos on how I can be able to fix this issue, but I think none of them give me actually the thing that I need. But once I figure out the solution, I know that there are people like me also seeking for this solution. That is why I decided to drop a video that is going to help you to resolve this issue. So now, once you uploaded your PHP, let me say you are developing a Laravel project and you want to upload your image and you are seeing this error, this image here like this, because this thing needs to be showing but it's not displaying. First you just need to check your env. You need to come to your file manager, check your env to know if you actually add the, let me see, the correct URL of your website. So this, let me just click on edit, then just check if your URL, like your app URL, is correct. Then if your app URL is correct and is still displaying this, so the next step we need to do, we need to run a command for us to be able to resolve this issue. Like running a command is like open, like running a terminal, for you to be able to fix this issue. Using Namecheap, you just need to come to this manage shells here. Come to this manage shells, then all you just need to do, you just need to activate this. Once you activate this, your terminal is going to be active. So all you just need to do, you just need to scroll down to the um to this option here, so to this advanced option. So you are going to be seeing this terminal option here now. So you just need to click on it, then you wait for the terminal to load. So once it's done loading, you just need to navigate to the let me see, the place where you hosted it, the file where you hosted it, just like running a terminal on, choosing a directory. Let me say you want to run a, let me say, a command for this specific directory. So for you to be able to do, let me say, change your directory, install my own file in my public dot underscore html. So in your own case, you just need to select your own directory. So since that I install it on my public underscore html, so the thing you just need to do, you just need to type cd, then you give space, then you write public. So once you write public, you add underscore html. So just put HTML. Then you click enter. So once you click enter, it's going to be redirected to the let me say, your root directory. So it's going to be redirected to that. Sorry, I made a mistake. So let me just retype cd, then space, then put my command public, then underscore html, then click enter. So now we are now running our command on the public file, which means that the root domain file. So now I'm going to be dropping this code on the description. So this command for you to just, once you have already navigate to your root directory, the next thing you need to do, you just need to paste this code. So I'm going to be dropping a code on the description. So this is just a command that you just need to paste on your terminal, and once you input the code and press enter, the issue is going to be fixed. So what this does is connect your script to the storage. Let me say that for you to be able to access the image located on your server. So that's it, what this command does. Be pasting this command here now. So once I just click on paste, then click that this is the command here. So I'm going to be dropping it in the description. You just need to click on enter. So once you click on enter, then it's going to be fixing it. So you can see error already is, so it's already linked. You can see link already exists. So that's the reason that you are seeing this error. But in your own case, you are going to be seeing successful. So once it goes successful, your image is going to be displaying anytime you upload a new image on your Laravel project. So if you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so that anytime I release a new video like this, you can be able to get a notification for that. So see you in my next video, guys.